While i1Profiler's main focus is the creation of ICC input and output profiles, it does include other functionality. One commonly requested task is to quickly measure color to get information like LAB or spectral data, to compare color differences between samples, or to have the ability to export single color measurements to a text file. Doing quick, single color measurement is possible in the option Measure Chart. Simply define the number of colors you want to measure, select your measurement device and measurement conditions, and then perform the measurements. Double-clicking on a color patch will then open a color view window on the right-hand side of the screen, showing you detailed measurement information. You can toggle between different illuminance settings and CIE color models. For CMYK colors, density values may also be viewed. This color information is available anytime reflective color measurements are taken. For example, when measuring profiling targets, just double-click on any patch to see the measurement information. Measured colors may be saved in different formats, such as CIE LAB or spectral data. Data may be saved as CXF version 3 files, which includes spectral data for all measured modes, M0, M1, M2, or M3, or in i1Profiler's native format, which is XML based. Saved colors can then be loaded into i1Profiler's data analysis option for comparison. This option allows you to compare single colors to one another, or you can compare measurement files from larger test charts. The requirement is that the files loaded for comparison have the same number and order of color patches. You will see color difference expressed in delta E, with the ability to select the delta E formula. When comparing patch sets, you will also see data such as average delta E, maximum delta E, worst 10% of colors, and more. This tool is helpful when averaging data from multiple test charts before creating your profile. Doing so helps you to sort out any bad data before averaging the readings.